Hi, everyone. I am Deb Livingston, and I'm here reminding you to hurry up and go sign up right now for the National Guild of Hypnotists Summer Conference that is happening in Marlborough, Massachusetts this August 7th, 8th, and 9th. And check out the classes I'll be teaching while you're at the conference. Friday morning, class number 1114 at 11 o'clock. I'll be teaching the anatomy of a hypnosis session from start to finish and how to manage any of the challenges that might happen for your clients or you throughout the session. So this will really help you bring your sessions into alignment so you can have easy flow with each offering. Saturday morning or Saturday afternoon, I'm teaching a 2-hour workshop, class number 22023 from 2 to 4, finding your rhythm as a hypnotist. 3 steps that will help you move out of overwhelm and into easy flow so that you can really get your practice with more visibility, so you can have more sustainability and all those fancy words. Basically, get your practice up and running where you want it to be, that's in alignment with how you want to be offering your services. So those are the 2 classes that I'll be teaching. You can find them and all the classes that we're offering at the conference this August by going to ngh.net. See you there.